Here's the mother freaking tea. So, guys, I stayed home from school today, and like, I have, well, I've tried to get over college, Yeah. So, yeah, so with all the April Fool's crap, I feel like this is pulling April Fool's prank on me because I did not just skip the other day of college, but this wasn't an April Fool's joke. Because colds are definitely not April Fool's jokes, you guys. And yeah, so I just want to come on here and do this tea for my cold. I know it's like tea is my or dish stuff like that or crap. But yeah, so keep liking my videos, and I'll probably, I don't know. See you guys later. Hey, Tor.